Hello guys, welcome to another topic. This is a topic on equations. We've introduced this math topic just to show you how you can use mathematics in science. Okay. So to do now, do you know which is the world's most famous equation? Okay. Do you know it? Think about it. We have a hint here. Who is that? And what equation did he come up with? Okay, this is a hint as well. So then once we go over to the one more slide, you realize that this equation is an equation that tells you the relationship between energy and mass. So E equals to mc squared means that if you take mass and you can push it at the speed of light multiplied by speed of light. So c squared means the speed of light times speed of light, then mass will become energy. Okay, so it means time travel is possible if you can move with the speed of light. Okay, so Einstein proved this equation, and again, we have yet to travel by the speed of light, but if we do, then it means that we'll be able to travel time. Okay, so the purpose for today, we will learn about equations. We will write an equation based on a situation or problem. Solve the equation and check the answer. We will search for and collect terms related to learning sources and present them through speaking and writing. And we will create works of visual art in 2 dimensions or 3 dimensions by applying principles of light, shadow, and weight.
Okay, some vocabulary. Number 1, equation. Equation. That's basically mathematics. Numbers with letters to make calculation.
Second is represent. So represent means stand for something. Okay. So you represent students of P.6. The students below you represent the students of P.5. Okay. You represent the students. You represent yourself as the students of CRPAO Thinking School. Okay? So represent means to stand for.
And the last one, solve. So solving a problem. So you will have, during this exercise, problem to solve. So you have to make your own decision to solve the problem.
Okay, so here we have, in the vocabulary, the word represent really meant an alphabet. So when you bring an alphabet in mathematics, it becomes algebra. Okay? So algebra uses symbols and letters to represent numbers and ideas. So we'll watch a video and we'll continue after that.
created using Powtoon.
So here, comparing the video that you just watched, you can solve these equations.
So just to give you a hint, if you have x plus 5 equals to 9, think about which number x can be, okay? So if you've done this in MathWiz, then you will know that you do x plus 5 equal to 9, and then the next step you do x equal to 9 minus 5. So x is equal to 4, okay? So that is how you solve these equations. So try to solve these equations, and most of them are simple subtractions, okay? So they're not very complicated, and yeah, try to find the answers for all 10 of them. So once you've solved those 10 equations, we come to the thinking tool. So this time is a green hat. And what we'd like you to do is take a calendar and take your birthday month, okay? And then for each date, we want you to write an equation, okay? So now here we have L plus 1 is 5. So L is equal to 5 minus 1, so 4, okay? So write that answer, write this equation at number 4. So for number 1, when the date is number 1, you can make any equation of your own. So you can say 8 plus x equals to 9. Okay, 8 plus x equal to 9. So x is 9 minus 8, which is 1. Okay, for date number 2, you can think of another one. So you can say x plus 10 equals 12. X plus 10 equals 12. So x is equal to 12 minus 10. So x is 2. Okay. So do that for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 30 or 31. Okay, depending upon your month. Okay, and finally, you can make a video with just one date. Okay, just tell us, my birthday is on 16th of November, and the equation I have is x plus 4 equal to 20. So then x is equal to 20 minus 4, so x is 16. Okay, so that's why you have to choose your birthday, the month of your birthday.
And here to finish the video, here's some more equation, a bit more difficult. So you know how to solve the problem now, so try to make those 24 equations. Okay, don't forget to write everything in the notebook, and write the meaning in Thai.
And finally, solve the equation sheet. And once you're able to do that, make sure to do the calendar. The calendar is the thinking tool. And instead of the date, write down the equation where the answer is the date. Okay? So finish doing that, and you can bring the paper when you come back to school.
Okay, see you for next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.